This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So the first step is to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. You can do that taking two different routes. So the first one is to touch and hold at the Wi-Fi icon from the control panel, and the second one is by simply launching settings and going for the Wi-Fi category. So once here, you gotta tap at the network that you would like to share the password of. Assuming that that's the same network that you are currently connected to, the system will provide you with a generated QR code that you can further just take whatever device you wanted to connect to the same network and scan it with. And after that, the said device will get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.